How to set privacy setting in Bigo Live. Want to keep your Bigo Live profile more private and secure? Here's how to tweak the top privacy feature in just a minute. Open the Bigo Live app and tap Me at the bottom right. Tap the gear icon at top right corner. Select privacy from the menu. This opens the core privacy control. You can hide your location, hide your online status, hide your device model, hide a recent active time, hide real match feature, do not disturb from stranger, and stranger message collapse. It's totally up to you. You can choose according to your preference, and that's it. You have taken control of your privacy setting on Bigo Live. If this helped, hit like, and if you have any question, drop them in the comment and subscribe for more smart tips. Catch you in the next one.